Hi, I'm Alex and welcome to AVARigs. Summer is in full swing here in Ohio and boy is it hot. But luckily, AVADirect's here to show you how to keep your PC nice and cool. Let's start with the obvious, the Alphacool liquid cooling loop. This system has an advanced overclock applied to it and it will likely be used for some heavy graphics rendering, so the user elected to go with a powerful cooling solution to manage both the CPU and GPU in one loop. On top of that, it has the unique look of a modded system. All of them are done by hand in-house here at AVADirect, so you can be sure that each system is truly custom. Also inside of this build, an Intel i9-9940X, a 14-core enthusiast processor that is great for large workloads, an RTX 2080 Ti, 64 GB of GSKILL memory clocked at 3466 MHz, Samsung 870Q VO and 970 Evo Plus 1TB SSDs, all of which on an ASUS PRime X299 Deluxe motherboard inside of a Cooler Master Cosmos C700M case. Ignoring the cooling system, this is a powerful workstation on its own. It features top-of-the-line processing and graphical power and has enough memory to back it all up. Even with all that power, the user didn't have to sacrifice any of that personality. The system looks great with the hardline cooling and is ready for a color scheme to complete any theme the user wants with RGB lighting throughout. If you'd like to have the PC in this video, or need help building one that's right for you, please visit the link in this description. You can choose from one of our pre-built gaming or workstation systems, or use our simple configurator to design one to meet your unique needs. Click thumbs up and subscribe if you liked this video, and be sure to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram for even more, @AVADirect.